guys, Killswitch here. I'm a member of the DireWolves Airsoft team, sponsored by Valken, Nado Products, Tactical Hostile, and Cobra Gear, and you're watching episode 2. For this episode, I'll be showing you guys some footage that I took back in June of 2015 for Operation Cobra Strike. This game was held at Warsaw Nation, hosted by one of our sponsors, Cobra Gear, which in fact went very well. If you enjoyed this video, I'd like you to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe for more. This is Killswitch signing off.
Come on, move up guys, let's go. Got him. Okay, one guy up here for cover, okay? The two other guys will move in. Move, move, move! Move on! Oh, I'm fine. Got about 2 full mags. I'm out. One guy rushing right. Move now, you move. Yeah. Oh, taking fire from where we came from down over there. Taking fire from the building in front of us. It's on the left. Cover, cover, cover. Mercy. Yeah, well. Clear, move, 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 move.